Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Yeah! Yeah! I'm gonna show you.
Okay, here I got a pot of chili on the stove, heating it up, and I've got a strainer spoon here so that I can strain out the juices and just get the meat and beans into my bowl here. And oops, a little taste test right there. Set this over here with my other ingredients. I have the cheese and lettuce ready, and I have scored the end of this onion so that all I have to do is slice down, and I have small bits of onion cut up. I'll get these off into a bowl, and Mama Pappy showed me how to cut an onion like that. There, I've got all my ingredients ready, and I need a taco shell. Want to get it heated up, so I'll put it on a paper napkin, paper towel, get that in the microwave. I'm going to heat that for about 12 seconds. And bingo, 12 seconds is over. Now I'm going to get some of this chili meat and beans onto my taco shell. I'll go ahead and speed up the camera while I get the cheese and lettuce, onions all put on here. And look at that. That looks like a real taco. I think I'll head on over to the table, get this rolled up, and give it a taste test. Boy, does this look good. Give her a try. Chil-a-Taco. That is good stuff. Hey, remember my pizza egg rolls? Yeah, they were good. And so are these Chil-a-Tacos. Give them a try. See what you think. And if you want, give me a thumbs up. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.